What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in live at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. This is the 2011 Gold Standard Football. Got two boxes for you tonight. We'll start off with box number one. Going to generate two rosters, one for Group A, one for Group B. We'll do Group A first. I'll randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy that and paste it against the list we have on the website. And then we'll do the same for Group B. I'm going to randomize that one 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Use the roster for box number 1. I'll give you a minute to find your name and your teams. Hopefully everybody's enjoying the game. Hopefully you're not like me and playing Matt Ryan in 2 of my Super Bowls in fantasy football. This has been brutal. Here we go, box number 1. Good luck, everybody. There's our checklist and pack for tonight. We'll start bottom card first for the Atlanta Falcons, Tony Gonzalez. Falcons going to Patrick D. That one numbered 137 out of 299. Jacksonville Jaguars, Mercedes Lewis. That one number 289 out of 299. Jags going to Justin C. For the Redskins, rookie Roy Halou Jr. Redskins going to John M. Numbered 21 out of 299. Legend for the Bears, Walter Payton. Bears going to Jody C. Numbered 241 out of 299. Dolphins rookie Charles Clay. Dolphins going to Justin. This one numbered 176 out of 299. For the Patriots, Jared Mayo. Sorry about that. Patriots going to John M. That one numbered 94 out of 299. For the Houston Texans, Gold Rush Arian Foster. Texans going to Patrick tonight. This one numbered 151 out of 299. First hit is going to the Buffalo Bills. Hall of Gold, Jim Kelly game used jersey patch. Bills going to Justin. That one numbered 106 out of 299. And looks like another one for Justin. Bills CJ Spiller. That one is a prime jersey. Looks to be one colored. I'm not sure why it's prime, but it should be low numbered, and it is 14 out of 25. Another nice hit, Justin. The rookie on-card autograph with a jersey patch, going to be a redemption tonight. This one, card number 264. you want to take a look at home, PaniniAmerica.net. We'll take a look at the checklist in a second here. 264 is going to Kyle Rudolph, tight end for the Vikings. Vikings going to Jeremy B. Congratulations, Jeremy. Those are usually pretty sharp looking cards. Up next for the Titans, rookie Akeem Ayers. Titans tonight are going to Jeremy B. This one numbered 465 out of 499. Nice hit, Jeremy. Up next, ooh, very nice. Couple cards coming up. For the San Diego Chargers, Malcolm Floyd, a rookie autograph with a jersey patch. Chargers going to Jody C. This one is numbered 17 out of 25. Nice short print hit. Fortunately, broke his foot this year, but should be back next year and should be a beast. Nice hit, Jody. And up next, 14 karat gold patch auto for the Minnesota Vikings, Percy Harvin. Very nice. Vikings going to Jeremy. Nice hit, Jeremy. This one should be a short print, and it is numbered 5 out of 10. Congratulations, Jeremy. Give you another look at that one. That'll do it for box number 1. Let's get the roster for box 2. Here are the 16 names that bought into box number 2. Same as the last, gonna create 2 rosters, one for Group A, one for Group B. We'll do Group A first. Gonna randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy that list and paste it against the list we have on the website. And we'll do the same for a Group B. Start a new list and we'll randomize it 5 times. There's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste that against Group B. Here is your roster for box number 2. Alright, here we go, box number 2. And just a reminder, we'll be off until next Wednesday for the holidays. Hopefully everybody takes some time off work and spend some time with family and friends. There's our checklist. Like next week we're going to do some specials. Might throw a few free breaks out there, so check back often. We'll be sending out an email about that. Up first for the Jets, Joe Namath. Jets going to Cody. This one numbered 242 out of 299. For the Lions, and Ndamukong Suh. Lions going to Anthony K. That one numbered 230 out of 299. For the Saints, rookie Martez Wilson, number 212 out of 299. And the Saints going to Edward C. Legend for the Cowboys, Emmitt Smith. That one going to Jeremy. That one of the black gold, numbered 5 out of 10. Very cool. Nice hit, Jeremy. Very Super short print, Hall of Famer, Emmitt Smith. For the Dolphins, Brandon Marshall. That one, another a platinum gold hit, 18 out of 25. Dolphins tonight going to Edward C. If we can get that in focus. Well, again, that one numbered 18 out of 25. Nice short print. Gold Leaf Stars for the Steelers. Big Ben Roethlisberger. Steelers going to Anthony. That one numbered 66 out of 299. Gold Leaf Rookies for the Cardinals. Ryan Williams. Cardinals going to Jeremy. This one numbered 165 out of 299. Alright, first hit, box number 2 is going to the Cowboys. Hall of Famer Troy Aikman game use patch. Cowboys going to Jeremy. This one numbered 34 out of 99. Nice hit, Jeremy. Up next, for the New York Giants, Gold Leaf Stars Prime jersey patch, Eli Manning. Nice looking card. Giants going to Tad tonight. Should be a low number with the Prime patch, and it is for 24 out of 25. Nice hit, Tad. 2-color with a line of white stitching right down the middle. Very cool. The rookie on card auto jersey patch, another redemption tonight. Card number 284. Take a look at the checklist. 284 is going to Balil Powell, rookie running back for the Jets. Jets going to Cody M. Nice hit, Cody. And for the Houston Texans, could be defensive MVP, rookie J.J. Watt. Texans going to Anthony. This one numbered 203 out of 499. Nice hit, Anthony. And up last, for the Eagles, rookie Stanley Haveli. Eagles going to Jeremy. And this one numbered 190 out of 499. Thanks again to everybody for getting in the breaks tonight. Enjoy the rest of the game and football tomorrow, and we'll see you back on Wednesday.